what is scenario analysis? Now, if you ask me, scenario analysis and sensitivity analysis are not much different from each other. As a matter of fact, both are the two sides of the same coin. जब हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट लेते हैं या हम कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं तो एज अ बिजनेस वी नीड टू चेक एज टू how is the risk involved in case of this project that I am undertaking. और वो रिस्क हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? वो रिस्क हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं ये मालूम करके कि अगर मेरी सेलिंग प्राइस कम हो गई, अगर मेरी रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट बढ़ गई, अगर मेरा कैपेसिटी यूटिलाइजेशन कम हो गया, अगर मेरे प्रोडक्ट की डिमांड कम हो गई, अगर मेरी इंटरेस्ट कॉस्ट बढ़ गई, अगर मेरे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपेंसेस बढ़ गए, तो इन सब का मेरे कैश फ्लो पर और मेरी डेट सर्विसिंग कैपेसिटी पर क्या इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा. सो when you what you are trying to do, you're trying to look at your profitability projections, you're trying to create different scenario. अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, वैसा हो गया तो क्या होगा. So that is you are doing scenario analysis. And remember, what you are doing by way of scenario analysis is also your sensitivity analysis. So by doing the sensitivity analysis, or what you are doing, you are creating different scenario. Or for achieving sensitivity analysis, you are creating different scenario as to what will happen in those scenarios to my projected cash flow, to my debt servicing capacity. And that will be part of your futuristic financial analysis. So your futuristic financial analysis, very rightly said sir by you, your futuristic financial analysis will need to take care of the will incorporate scenario analysis, and it will also incorporate sensitivity analysis. I hope that answers your question, sir.
राइट सर. सर ओनली सर वो जो आपने जो